Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I would be talking about a liquid lipstick, a very affordable liquid lipstick, something which I personally have never tried before. I have seen a couple of people trying these lipsticks and loving these lipsticks, but because I usually shop my makeup products from Nykaa or Myntra, I never had a chance to try these lipsticks. So after Nykaa's pink sale haul, I decided to go through other websites also, which might have some better offers. So I came across the site called purple.com. So it's not exactly a site, it is an app. So most of you must have already shopped from them, but I am somebody who have never actually bought anything from them. After downloading the app, I was scrolling through the app and they also had some sale going on. So I was searching for like an affordable liquid lipstick option, and they had quite a few options available. So the one that attracted me the most was the brand Stay Cookie. So now the brand is not new. There are a lot of swatches and a lot of reviews about the lipsticks available online. I didn't want to invest in a full-size liquid lipstick from a new brand, so I was really glad that when I came to know that Stay Cookie has many size liquid lipsticks as well. So I have the app right on my phone, and because I'm new to this brand, I would just read whatever the information given from my phone. Okay, so Stay Cookie liquid lipsticks are available in a numerous color options, and all of the colors are available in full size as well as the mini versions. The packaging of both the sizes is a little different. I personally like the packaging of the mini versions more, which I'll be showing you in just a little bit. So the full size of these liquid lipsticks are available at 449 rupees for 4.5 ml of product, whereas the mini ones are available in 199 rupees for 1.6 ml of product. When I bought these lipsticks, they were on an offer of buy two get one free, and that's the reason I grabbed 3 lipsticks. So this is how the lipsticks looks like. This is the mini version, and it is really tiny as compared to the palm of my hand. Okay, so before getting into anything else, the swatches and everything, let's talk about the packaging a little bit. Okay, so these mini lipsticks come in a very interesting packaging. This is how the outer box looks like. The brand name is written here on the box, and it shows mini. And this is the actual product. Name and the number of the product is mentioned at a sticker placed in the bottom of the lipstick, as well as it is also written here on the box. So the pattern is really interesting. The packaging is not very it doesn't feel really good. It is like a light plastic, and even the cap is very light. It doesn't feel really luxe or something, but they're really affordable, so I won't actually complain about that. So the print is really interesting on this. The full size versions of these lipsticks do not have this print, but the mini versions have. This is how the lipsticks look like. I'll just insert a picture of the lipstick here, and this is how the wand looks like. I'll just quickly try to show you. It's a very regular looking wand and lipstick, and there is nothing really special about the lipstick apart from this the print given on the cap of the lipstick. I also like the fact that the name of the lipstick is given on the top of the box, because all the box actually look the same, so it's really easy to read the name given in bold letters on the box itself. So now talking about the colors that I bought. 3 shades of the lipsticks that I have are Spooning Guaranteed, which is this beautiful neutral nude looking color. Then it is shade number 19 called the Millennial Slang. This is how the color look like. It is a very bright fuchsia pink. And the third one is called Color Goals, and this is how the color looks like. Before talking more about these lipsticks, let's get into the swatches first. The first one that I have on my lips is called Spooning Guaranteed, and this is how it looks like. The next shade that I would be trying is called Color Goals, and this is how the color looks like. This one is a little more liquidy as compared to the previous one. I am not having a very good feeling about this one, but the color looks beautiful. Let's just try this one on. Okay, so this is how the shade Color Gold looks like. It's It's a very bright pink, and it is a very good color for functions or festive looks. But this is not something that I can wear on day-to-day basis, though the color is really pretty. So the third color that I would be trying is called Millennial Slang, and this is how the color looks like. Let me try. This is how the color looks like. Okay, now as I've tried all the three colors that I have, the first thing that comes to my mind is I am not happy with the formula of the lipstick. The lipstick is really long lasting, and they claim the lipstick to be kiss proof, and the brand claims that it can last up to 100 kisses, which means that the lipstick is actually transfer proof, which might be a good thing if you want to have this lipstick on for the whole day. But what if you just have to use this lipstick for just 3 to 4 hours? This lipstick is a pain to remove. I have tried a number of ways to remove these lipsticks, and every time I struggle so hard that I really get annoyed. The formula is very lightweight. It is opaque. One swipe of the formula does give an opaque color, but it is really drying. The formula takes around 2 to 3 seconds to dry, and once it dry, the lips feel really dry, moistureless. The dry feeling is somewhat similar to that of the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipsticks. I still found the Sugar ones a little better on my lips as compared to this. I just have 3 shades from the collection, and I have just swatched 3 of them, and my lips are already paining. I am not liking the way they feel on the lips, though they are really lightweight, but the dryness is not good. Now also I would say that the formula of all these colors is not consistent. The last shade that I tried, that is called the Millennial Slang, it is comparatively a little non-drying. Like the one that I have right now is not as drying as the other 2 I had. So I am not sure whether it is due to some particular shade. This particular one is a little more pearly. Maybe that can be the reason, or I am not sure. But the formula is so drying that I can see like the dry patches and each and every single fine line on my lips, which does not really look good. As I already said, and the company also claims that these lipsticks are really long lasting, so you can easily go out and have a full pizza and this lipstick would still be intact. It won't budge, it won't chip, it won't transfer. You can just wear this in the morning and go out and do your day, and you can come back at 9 or 10 and the lipstick would still be where you applied it. So if you ask me personally, I do like lipsticks which are long lasting, but something that is very drying I am not a fan of. If you like to have something that can last easily for 12 to 14 hours, then this is something certainly you would love to try. Plus this is so affordable that you can give it a chance. Also it is available in so many colors that you can find something that you would love.